YouTube, what's good, what's going on with y'all? Support Aircraft the Reactor here, back here with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to memes that will give you skipping about my fault, by Majin Card. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get into it, man. Let me fix my head, my fault, y'all. My fault, gang. Oh, fuck it. Let's get into this video.
Do you need some money?
I wanna fuck that nigga.
Remember my sister, bitch ass nigga?
Huh? Oh, hell nah.
When I die, I'ma go to Snow Bunny Heaven.
When bro finally got hands on a femboy after this one on his right shoelace that he wasn't into them.
Oh, I need a break! Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
Whoa. What the fuck?
Ready, all right.
What's up, Shaniqua? What's it like up there in Brooklyn? You're 1,000 miles away, but I can still smell your cooking. Yes, I do.
30 seconds!
Hell. Me was just in the urge to say you can't park there to the crumpled up remains of a family L4 that crashed into it. Wow. That shit's wild, bro.
Talk about good vibrations. These happy little crackers dance around, up, over, and down.
Your nigga's wildin'. When you're see what your homework facts. I went through this. Me taking off my shoe, good loading audition. I don't know what's wrong with the video. Hold on, my fault. Dan Schneider.
And you don't seem to.
When you speak weeks, my fault. You spend weeks training for a cockfight, and the referee asks, "Where's the rooster?" Oh. Not that kind of cockfight, my brother.
Watch the world's biggest firework explode over Nagaoka, Japan.
I read about a guy who has like some weird fucking birth defect where he comes out of his ass.
Those are called gays.
Here's what's gonna happen. Something like this. I'm gonna whip the piss out of him. I'm gonna whoop him and whoop him and whoop him and whoop him. Hey, what's up, King Son? Man, you doing it, man. You deserve it, Daddy.
No.
You putting in that work. Proud of you. I love you. Yeah.
No. Terrell! Run the road again! Damn it! It's cut! You don't have anybody to the flat!
Okay, what's your name?
My name, my.
I get shot up. People that's going through this.
Fuck, come on! Fuck!
You have a bad day on the game, your girl calls.
This fucking bitch. Hello?
I'm watching Euphoria and eating pizza.
That's so good, babe!
Babe, would you still love me if I was wrong?
Let's shut the fuck up!
Facts. Really want to get to an active shooter, my deaf coworker.
Come on, man, hook me up.
Disabled people get into heaven, but they still have their crippled legs.
What the fuck y'all doing? Y'all rationing around here? Come on, hook me up.
Yo, young boy, what's good? What's good? What you doing?
What I'm doing?
Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm doing me. Why you asking
Yo.
me?
I was just asking.
Nah, the hoop earrings is crazy.
At the end of the day, I identify my pronouns as a man, and I'ma hold it down. That's the only way it's gonna go.
Not the earrings. The earrings got it, gang. My grandma just
watch that baby head, and don't hold that light over his head either.
My grandma just making up anything when she sees me holding a baby.
He can get glaucoma if you hold that light over his head too much. And then move his hand because he could get jaundice if you hold his hand like that.
Me and 28 is the year is 2080, and Ryan's tour review is still being forced by his parents to make YouTube videos.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Thank you, Lord, for blessing food, name. Amen.
I ain't blessing that.
Come on.
Nah, do it again.
Oh,
do it again.
Hungry. I'm hungry.
I know you hungry, but do it again. I ain't hear you. What was that?
God is good. God is
Here
great.
we go.
Our next contestant is Warren. He's 6. Okay, so there's no more balloons. So go ahead and go.
I know the art of fight. I know the art of
I
war. That's all I ever studied. That's
You
why
lying
I'm
to
so
my
feared. That's why they
kids
feared me when I was in the ring. Because that's all I was an annihilator. That's all I was born for. And now those days are gone. It's empty. I'm nothing.
Oh my god! It's Goku!
My fault, y'all. My fault, y'all. My shit fucking up. I'm from the game.
Annihilate, that's all I was born for. And now those days are gone. It's empty. I'm nothing.
Oh my god! It's Goku!
I don't know what the fuck is going on, bro. Oh, bro, this shit pissing me off too. Give me a second, y'all. Let me see if I up the quality. Now the quality is full on HD. You feel me? Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Give me like 5 minutes. Wait.
It's empty. I'm nothing.
Oh my god! It's Goku!
Hold on. My fault, y'all. A little technical difficulties here. I fixed it. You know what I'm saying? We back into it. Let's get at it.
Oh my god! It's Goku! Yeah! I will not let you destroy my world! Yes!
Hello?
Yeah, Vegeta!
What the fuck?
Ooh, a big blackie. A big black one.
Really coming out of my room after I hear my mom yell, where the fuck all the dishes at?
Tripping. Overly thinking.
Right.
Boy, I got a real plan.
Right.
When I signed my first deal, I signed the most fucked up deal in the world.
Right.
I don't give a damn. I just needed the platform.
Right.
I had the plan. Yeah.
Right.
I gotta get out the deal.
Right.
Hello? Hey, yo! Hey!
Stay on your feet! Stay on your fucking feet! Stay on your fucking feet! Walk
Facts.
Has the Guinness World Record as the first Latin solo artist. Do you shave your pussy?
Oh my god.
Hey, do you go to UT?
Yeah.
Yeah, what major are you?
Listen, it's not the major you start with, it's the minor you finish to.
Whoa.
And that's just the facts, you know. Like, a lot of this is organic. It's not that calculated. And so yeah, when we talk about singles not being traditional, it just kind of works.
I'm on speaker, so don't say anything crazy, bro.
If you ain't eat a treat from... Did you eat... Let me ask you again. Did you eat a treat from right here? No. Alright.
Hell is hot. Is dumb hot. What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, this shit blowing my shit. Me, if I put my mom in a nursing home and the nurses tell me she's not listening.
But it's not changing. It's not changing.
See, it's not changing. So when the teacher is telling you, to do something, you need to do it. Period.
You know, I finally catch bro rip the door before I dumb though. Hey, yo! The Chinese kid legally shoot back there.
What?
Me in my mom's room trying to fight the BBC that's been hitting and rearranging my home. Stop, bro. But it reminds me of the washer that you left. Rubbing it all over Bro's face the moment he falls asleep.
Everybody think we slept.
Because we did.
Nah, this man's be having me crying. You fucking everything. Somebody is all questionable.
Why does everybody?
The Kool-Aid Man, what the fuck?
Why does everybody?
Peppa Pig, Nemo, why the fuck are you fucking a fish? Diego, yeah? Tail, I see my nigga Tails. Android, the Android bot. Nah, this man be having me crying. On for y'all. Elmo? Hold on. Let me fix myself. I forgot to fix myself. My fault gang. Hold on, give me a second. Perfect. You're a single dad who owes 0.01 pesos to the cartel. Oh my god. Your head's gonna get popped.
Let your decent hearts beating
Moving bubble for the emo trying to show out.
Harlequin girls, will you
Do you want me? Do you wanna love me? Do you want me?
Come bring out the whole ocean, guys.
Yo. Hey, yo.
I just love my dog. My brother told me how to taste the man.
Your phone dropped in the and this is exactly why I don't be on TikTok. It's gonna send me straight to hell.
I don't even know if he was in frame. Oh, got mail right there. What? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You have a lot more time, I think, maybe.
Yo, I'm sorry for laughing at that, but that was so unexpected. This will be the end of the comp. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will be seeing y'all in the next one. Wait. And I will be seeing y'all in the next one. Alright.